name's Mark Geldington. My VC Commodore. It's got a 427 twin turbo, putting out about 1,000 horsepower tyres. Pretty cool thing. Twin 75s. Yeah, let's see how it goes. We're here today to work on suspension and see how it behaves, and we'll go from there. Adam at MPW tunes the car for me on their dyno up there. It's a pretty good dyno, a really good blokes to deal with. Transmission's just a 2-speed power glide, 9-inch diff, full floor in the rear. You can see, it's got all the right stuff going on.
What are you expecting to run?
Well, on paper it should go fast, but today we're only out here to run half track, so we'll see how we go with it. And if it does right, then we might go into it a bit more, but we'll just see.